Hey friends, let's talk about the move cradle from the floor, okay? For this one, the top hand is going to be our pulling hand, P-U-L-L. The bottom arm is going to be the pushing arm, okay? So it's important to know which body parts are doing the push and the pull, and I would probably say every single pull move. So top arm is pulling to the side. Bottom arm is pushing. Start with your inside leg. You're going to lift it up. You want the outside of your thigh to make contact with the pole, okay? Now I want to go lower than I think I need. So if we set up here and then try to cradle, it's going to be very difficult. So you want to lower both hands, okay? Ideally, when you come up into the cradle, your chest will be parallel to the floor. So watch, I'm going to go into the cradle and then I'll come out and talk about it a little bit more. So I'm here, cradle. All right, you'll see if I start up too high, getting my chest to dive down is a lot harder on this top arm, right? So the lower we can get our chest and our head to begin with, the less work it's going to be. So inside leg up, top arm, bottom arm, pointer finger facing down, pull, push, squeeze the pole with your knees, with your thighs, okay? So we want this compression. So if you lay down on the floor, you can practice. You want to squeeze your knees, squeeze to your chest, okay? That's also an important point of contact. So it's a lot of hip flexor strength, low abs, okay? So on my other side, my left leg would come up, left hand low. I like my pointer finger down. Right hand's going to be now pulling, so elbows going away from me. Squeeze the pole onto you. All right, you can either put feet together, cross, whatever you feel comfortable with, and slowly dismount. Okay, you can also do this on spin. Once you feel comfortable, you can start straddling your legs, cradle and straddle, and back to tuck. Okay, let me know how it goes.